Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we get to change the drive belt out on our John Deere Gator. All right, so it's a diesel Gator, 855D. Let me turn that sucker on and show you guys inside. Yay! All right. Nothing fell out. That's good. Thank God I strapped it down well. All right, let me get a little flashlight here. All right, so as you can see, we got the drive belt cover here. It's actually wearing through a little bit right there. So a little slappy happy. So we'll try to get that off. Thank God the exhaust isn't totally in the way. Yeah. All right, I will be back with the cover off. All right, cool. See you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we got the belt off here. As you can see, it's very skinny. So yeah, I've been having some slipping issues here and there, but yeah, so the perimeter bolts come off, a little, vent tube hose comes off, and don't forget, and don't worry, you will miss one or two of these. So keep looking. All right, I'll have this belt off and compare it for you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, got the old belt out and the new belt right next to it. So what I could tell is it's just about the same width, so we didn't have that problem, but it's a little stretched. The old belt stretched a little bit, and you can kind of see, oops, sorry about that. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of cracking here and there. This looks fine, it's not gonna break, but I was starting to have little slapping issues, as you saw on the housing here. So the housing, as you can see light through there. So it was slapping on this side and a little bit down there. You could just hear it slappy, slappy, slappy. I don't like that. But I'm not gonna fix this because I don't go through water or any silly shit like that. But yeah, so yeah, it'll be fine. I'll put it back on probably with a little less screws because they always are annoying to get off. But yeah. So we'll just get back to it, get the new one on, and go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so you gotta pay attention to the arrows, the directional arrows there. This one fit on a lot better than the old one. It just goes on there without tools. You just rotate it and, just like a V-belt, you put it on without tools sometimes. But yeah, super easy to put on. I'll put the cover back on, put the screws on, and down the road we go. So this might be wrestling a little bit, got some sweat on me. But yeah, super simple, very quick to change, unfortunately expensive. Forgot how much I paid for the belt. It was 150, 75, 100, and 200, I forget. So yeah, just a quick little thing, and we're almost done. So hope you enjoyed this quick blip of a video, and yeah, farm maintenance. So hope you enjoyed it. Aloha.